Today, Eric and I will explore the beauty of Tumwater Falls. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we discovered a wonderful location setting, practically right in the heart of downtown Olympia, Washington. Nestled in the heart of Brewery Park, Tumwater Falls offers a picturesque escape with its stunning natural beauty and historical charm. This 0.9-mile loop trail is perfect for a leisurely stroll, providing breathtaking views and a variety of highlights along the way. Highlights along the trail: Upper Tumwater Falls. Begin your journey with the majestic Upper Tumwater Falls, where the Deschutes River cascades over a series of rocky ledges. The roar of the falls and the misty spray create a captivating start to your adventure. Fish hatchery and ladder. As you continue, you'll encounter the fish hatchery, where you can observe salmon navigating the fish ladder. This unique feature allows you to witness the incredible journey of these resilient fish as they make their way upstream. Custerway Bridge. Walk beneath the historic Custerway Bridge, a graceful three-arch structure built in 1915. The bridge offers a charming backdrop to the lush greenery and flowing waters below. Middle Tumwater Falls. Further along the trail, you'll find Middle Tumwater Falls, best viewed from the opposite bank. The falls are accompanied by the remnants of historical structures, adding a touch of history to the natural beauty. Artificial waterfalls and grottos. The trail features several artificial waterfalls and grottos, enhancing the scenic experience. These man-made additions blend seamlessly with the natural surroundings, creating serene spots for reflection. Rhododendron blooms. In the spring, the trail is adorned with vibrant rhododendron blooms, adding bursts of color to the lush landscape. These flowers create a picturesque setting that's perfect for photography. Lower Tumwater Falls. Conclude your journey with the Lower Tumwater Falls, where the river takes a final plunge into a tranquil pool. The soothing sounds of the water and the surrounding greenery provide a peaceful end to your hike. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, a history buff, or simply looking for a relaxing walk, Tumwater Falls offers something for everyone. Don't forget to bring your camera to capture the stunning views and memorable moments along the trail. Please remember to subscribe to our channel. It only takes a push of the subscribe button and is absolutely free. Again, thank you for stopping by.
And also, Zell, Tumwater Falls has a lot of forgotten history.
Oh really, Eric? Why don't you share some of that history with our viewers?
Okay, Tumwater Falls has a rich and fascinating history, intertwined with both natural and human influences. Here are some of the hidden historical aspects and the creation of Tumwater Falls. Natural formation. Tumwater Falls is part of the Deschutes River, which carved its path through glacial debris left after the Pleistocene Ice Age. The river eventually reached volcanic bedrock, forming the series of cascades that we see today.
Indigenous significance. Before European settlers arrived, the area around Tumwater Falls was inhabited by Native American tribes. The falls were known as Spekwal in the Lushootseed language, meaning cascade, highlighting their importance as a geographical landmark.
European settlement. In the mid-19th century, Tumwater Falls became the site of Newmarket, the first European settlement in western Washington. Michael T. Simmons and other pioneers established the community in 1845, attracted by the potential for water-powered industries.
Industrial development. The falls played a crucial role in the development of the area. In 1890, the Olympia Light and Power Company constructed a dam and a hydroelectric power plant at the falls, which powered an Olympia Tumwater streetcar and other local needs 3. This was one of the earliest hydroelectric plants in the region, predating even the famous Snoqualmie Falls power plant.
Olympia Brewing Company. The area around Tumwater Falls is also historically significant due to the Olympia Brewing Company, which was established nearby. The brewery utilized the pure water from the Deschutes River, and its presence contributed to the local economy and culture.
Fish ladder and hatchery. In 1952, a fish ladder was built by the Washington Department of Fisheries to allow salmon to bypass the falls and reach the newly constructed fish hatchery upstream. This was a significant development as it enabled the restoration of salmon runs in the Deschutes River.
Tumwater Falls Park. In 1962, the Olympia Brewing Company donated 15 acres of land surrounding the falls to the Olympia Tumwater Foundation, leading to the creation of Tumwater Falls Park. The park now attracts around 200,000 visitors annually, offering a blend of natural beauty and historical significance.
Tumwater Falls is not just a natural wonder, but also a site rich in history, reflecting the interplay between nature and human ingenuity over the centuries. Whether you're interested in geology, indigenous history, or industrial heritage, Tumwater Falls has a story to tell.
Please take a minute and smash that subscribe button so you won't miss any of our exciting adventures. Thank you for stopping by.